Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how to do the most delicious Manaeesh that you ever ate. And then I'm going to show you the best dough that you can ever make, and very simple and easy. We have to take 1 cup of za'atar, and then we're going to put 1 tomato, chopped sliced very small, and then 1 onion, again sliced very small. It's optional, but it will give very delicious taste. It's a sumac. In case if you don't have it or you don't know it, you can just squeeze a little lemon in it, which is 1 tablespoon. And it's optional in case if you like to have red chili pepper. Okay, there you go. We'll mix this. And then we're gonna add olive oil on this. Now we have olive oil. You will put about 1 cup. In case if you see it's absorbing, you can always add a little bit more. Now I'm gonna see the texture and I'm gonna tell you if this is good enough. So when we put this on a bread, when we cook it, it's gonna make it juicy. You can add a little bit more if you want. This is how we have to do it. You can put a little extra, but if you don't want it, it's fine. This is good enough. It has the tomato, the onion. It's very delicious. So this is how you do it, and you leave it. Like I said, if you want, you can add another maybe quarter or half a cup, less than half a cup, a little bit more. If no, this is perfect. So now we have to make it the dough, which is it's only like 2 cups, which is over here. This is 1 cup. Usually I don't measure, but I put the measurement so you will see it. And this will make very soft, delicious, juicy dough. So this is 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar. You know that this is just to make the dough to rise. And there is about 1 tablespoon yeast. Now I have 2 cups of water over here. I just put it, I'm gonna put little by little. It doesn't mean that it's gonna take 2 cups, it might take less. But I just prepare it here so I don't have to go and come. So you do this, you'll add it little by little. In case if you put too much water, do not get worried, just add a little bit flour. If it needs some more water, just put it. It has to come kind of a soft dough. Now I can tell that it's a little soft, this dough. It looks like it's perfect. We have to mix it good. So we're gonna put maybe about like 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil. I don't have olive oil. You can put olive oil, you can put canola oil, or you can put mazola. It's about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Do not stress out, and you just put them all together like this and mix it, and then you let it rise. Well, look at this, how soft dough it is. Actually, I'm not gonna put any more flour in it. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. And when we open it, at that time, we put flour on a top of the counter and we open the dough. It's always nicer to be soft. Just like 2-3 minutes you mix it. Leave about half hour, 25 minutes, maybe a little bit more. Just cover on it. So what it does, it sweats. It kind of keeps the heat inside. Just like this. Here we have the cover. And just put one side. I already made another one here. And this is how it rises. See what a beautiful dough it is. Still it's soft, and when you keep it, of course, it's always good to be oiled. When I put the oil, it was already pretty oily, so it doesn't stick to your dishes. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna put for you. We prepared the tray. Any tray it's fine. You don't need to put any paper, anything. You can just put a little oil, but still it won't stick. But if you have parchment paper, just put the parchment paper like this. I'm just gonna put a drop of oil over here. You can do with your hands, or we can do with the roller. Look how soft it is. And you take this one, you put it in a tray. I want to show you here. It's like a cotton. If you want to do it with the roller, you have to add just a little bit flour just to open it. But When you do it like this way, it's very, very soft. Doesn't have to be like really circle around. Your children, they will eat no matter what. See how the oil, it kind of separates a little bit? You mix it again because it was resting for a few minutes. Put it like this, little bit here, a little bit here, and with your hands, spread it. You really will enjoy this dish. This will, you can eat in breakfast, dinner, whatever. You don't have to make it thin. It's nicer to be thicker than pita bread. Here we go. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, now the Manaeesh is done.
Oh, wow.
There you go. Now look how beautiful and fluffy it is. Let's see the bottom. See, this is the way it's supposed to be, kind of nice and pink. Everybody's oven is different. So you can tell if it's cooked, and the bottom it should be a little pink. So this is the way we present our guests. The oven is 350, about 30-35 minutes that I bake. And this is it's a yogurt drink it is. If you go on my videos, you see the video that I did the juice. And you can put little piece of mint. You don't have to, but you do. We slice little radish. We put couple tomatoes like this. Few piece of mint. And couple olive. And this olive is a homemade olive too that I prepared. You're gonna see on my site. I hope you'll enjoy this dish and you will try it. If you like it, click on like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.